Hi everyone, welcome back to CivicCentre IAS. India has just achieved something that could redefine how modern wars are fought. A lightweight, drone launched missile that can lock onto targets, update aim after launch, and strike with pinpoint accuracy, even during nights. This is the ULPGM-V3, and it's not just a missile, it's a window into the future of AI driven warfare. In today's video, we'll understand the evolution of this missile, the AI-powered technology behind it, and why it's such a strategic leap for India's defense security. Let's begin with the evolution. The story of ULPGM, or Ultra Light Precision Guided Munition, starts with a need, that is, to equip Indian drones and helicopters with small but deadly accurate missiles. Earlier versions of ULPGM V1 and V2 focused on anti-tank rules, relying on the laser guidance. But with V3, DRDO has upped its game. This version is designed specifically for unmanned aerial vehicles, that is UAVs, and has enhanced seeker systems, a better propulsion system, and most importantly, AI enhanced targeting and post launch corrections. Now, let's understand what makes ULPGM V3 special. This missile weighs just around 12.5 kilograms, making it light enough for drone-based warfare. But don't be fooled by its size. It has solid dual thrust propulsion system, a dual channel passive infrared seeker, and two-way data link. That means it can engage targets both day as well as night. And more importantly, change its aim mid-flight based on updated inputs from the UAV or control station. That's where AI steps in to interpret data, recognize threats, and redirect them in real time. Also, ULPGM V3 can carry different types of warheads. Firstly, anti-armor warhead to penetrate explosive reactive armors. Secondly, penetration cum blast, that is for fortified bunkers. And lastly, pre-fragmented warhead for infantry or soft targets. This modularity means one missile can serve multiple battle roles and chosen based on mission needs. This not only saves costs but enhances battlefield flexibility. Now, this success isn't DRDO's alone. ULPGM V3 is the result of collaboration between several DRDO labs, Adani Defense, Bharat Dynamics Limited, and more than 30 MSMEs and startups, including Bengaluru's New Space Research Technologies, that provided the UAV. This represents the true spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense, that is, indigenous technology developed at home in partnership with India's growing private sector. Next, let's talk artificial intelligence. Though not officially branded as an AI missile, ULPGM V3 uses AI principles in its decision-making systems. That is, the seeker identifies the targets visually, then the AI helps them distinguish the real targets from decoys. This two-way link allows operators to reassign the target in real time. This dynamic targeting reduces collateral damage and makes precision strikes possible in complex combat zones. Other systems like the Akash Tir, Bhargavastra and the Nagastra 1 also use similar AI-backed decision loops. So, ULPGM V3 is a tactical weapon with strategic implications. It gives India a sharp edge in drone warfare, especially when border tensions are rising and asymmetric threats are becoming the norm. Also, it signals a shift that India is no longer just an arms importer. It is becoming a serious developer of next generation battlefield technology. So, that's the ULPGM V3 for you. That is compact, deadly, and intelligent. It marks a new chapter in India's defense strategy where drones and AI work hand in hand for mission success. Let me know in the comments which emerging defense technology should we decode next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UPSC and current affairs videos. Jai Hind.